Alright guys, welcome back to my video. This video is for one of my subscribers who contact me through Facebook Messenger to make this video. This video is about listing ebook on eBay step-by-step video. In this video I'm going to talk about ebay.com because if you are living in other countries, selling on ebay.com is a larger marketplace, so I'm gonna talk about only ebay.com, or you can say international edition. Before I get into the videos, if you are new to my channel, press the subscribe button, press the bell icon. Also don't forget to like our videos. We try to upload one video every other day on money making, money saving and tutorials. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end. Also, if you have any questions you want to ask me about, or you want to make a video about certain topic, join our Facebook private group and message me through Facebook Messenger or DM me through Instagram. I can consider making videos in the future, guys. So I'll show you the steps and everything. First thing you have to understand is you can create a multiple eBay account. Also, you can create eBay account on UK.com or any other Europe countries. Also, you have to one thing you need to understand is, for example, if you are living in the UK, list an item and you offer international postage. If a person says the same item on USA, your item will be shown, but not in the top of the list, in the bottom of the list, because on ebay.com they prefer items on USA than other international country. So when you list the same ebook, unlike others selling, their ebook going to be in the first place and you're going to be in the bottom because of the country that you are living in. But if you create ebay.com account and listed your item on there, and you can sell it, because on .com you're going to show your product or your item on the top of the page or top of the eBay search result. So before I show this step by steps and everything, you need to understand a fees for eBay. So he asked me what a step by step, so I can go from fees to everything. So if you are living in UK, you have this fees. You have a private account, or you can sell whatever item in your home. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription, and you have 100 free listing, which means you can list 100 item, and this item will be alive or 30 days on eBay. Every single month they give you 100 free listings. That means your 100 item will be released automatically without costing any money. More than 100 items you need to pay 30 cents for that, and there is a final value for the eBay. You pay when the item is sold. Is paid between 9 to 10%, and you have a PayPal fee which is 3.5%, I think, which gonna be taken down when you receive a payment. This is for UK only. When you're in USA, you have you don't have a private account, you have a starter account, which you're gonna cost here $7.95 per month. And annual subscription, if you buy an annual subscription, a monthly subscription will cost you $4.95, and you have 100 free listing, and if you have 100 free listing for auction also. But on a UK there's I think it's a 50 auction for a basic account. You can go and check out the price on that. And because you need to understand things, when you start to sell ebook or whatever your item, there's a certain fees. Final value fee will be taken down end of the month. eBay will be taken down when you receive a payment, and the listing fee, certain quantity item is free for listing on eBay. After that you can pay a certain amount, like 30 cents per item. Okay, after we understand the fees, and one thing you need to understand is people recommend go to eBay and list your ebook on the classify ad. Yes, you can do that, but one thing you need to consider is for the classify ad, each item you're gonna pay around $9 to $10 per listing. That means you're not going to receive a free listing for this. So never put your ebook on the classify ad, because you need to pay $9 to $11 per listing. So if you want to list a 20 ebook, you're gonna pay $11 for each ebook in order to list the item for 30 days. That is not worthless, guys, and you're not going to make any money from that. So never list your ebook under classified. This is my experience. So if you want to do it, you can do it, but for classified, eBay gonna charge you between $9 to $11 per listing. Okay, after we understand that, we now go straight to the video how to list an ebook on ebay.com. So for example, you can see from here I have an ebay.co.uk account. This is one of my eBay account. These are a couple of items listed here, including some of ebooks are listed on here. Now what I want to do is I can use the same login detail to sign in ebay.com. You don't have to create any ebay.com account separately. If you already have any other eBay account, I think you can use to sign into any other countries. For example, if you live in Australia, you can use the same login detail to sign in ebay.co.uk. I think so, but here is working fine for me because I have a uk.co.uk account. Now I'm using the same login detail to create login into my ebay.com address. So this is one of my ebook I listed already, but I want to list another ebook. So I recommend go to IDPL Law. You're gonna pay for it for the lifetime access, but you can get high quality ebook, up to date ebook on here. But if you don't have enough money, go to weekly resale right. I put the link in the description so you can go and check it out. You can download ebook for free on that website. Okay, here I already listed this ebook, but I want to list this ebook. It's called Immuno Food Solution. Okay, first what you have to do when you come to list an ebook, first before you list an ebook on eBay, first copy the title and search it on eBay that anyone is searching on selling on eBay. If they do, you can undercut the price. If they don't selling it, you can sell your own one. Now I'm gonna say this book. Okay, you can say from here people from Italy, United States, and from United States people are selling this ebook, and this one is selling for $9.99, but they're charging for shipping. I think they're selling the physical version. Now here this person is selling for $1.99. Now what you have to do, click this ebook here. All you have to do, you don't have to go and create a new listing. Just click this open and click this button called sale now. It will pull all the detail about this listing to you, like your categories and everything. You need to fill the information. Now Immuno Food Solution digital book is fine. ISBN number doesn't apply, brand new. You need to select photo for this listing. All the photos and images and e-covers will be provided when you download that ebook. So go to download file and find the ebook that you want to sell. This is the one, and open that folder and you can find it, your ebook images under graphic pack and e-covers, and select book, select open, then just add a couple of more of them. If they have a checklist, add them as well. So let them know they're gonna receive a checklist also. Click open, add the checklist, click open another one, add a they have a mind map also, add that one too. If this image is popping up, that means the image quality is poor, so you remove that and add a new one. Upload that image here. Leave this section behind because the person already listed this same ebook doesn't fill this information, so you don't have to do that either. So go down the bottom. Now here you need to fill the book information. Just copy the information that provided on when you download your ebook. Just copy that and paste it here. And also you need to add this information. This is an ebook. When you purchase this ebook, you will receive a PDF file within 2 hours within 2 hours to your email address, something like that, because you have to let them know this is an ebook. Copy that, put it here, and click advanced editing. Go to put it in red so bring more attention toward it. Now go to bottom, click fixed price and buy now price. They are selling for $1.99, so we can go $1.89, and select your PayPal address. Quantity is 10. Now what you did is there's no sales tax, return. I don't accept any return. Domestic, this is the thing, shipping. What you have to do is click same cost for all buyers, and here UPS first class, you can select anything you want and click this one called free shipping. Now here Handling time is the same day because it's an ebook. You're going to send it through email, so don't put 1 working days. And for international shipping, also to put that same thing, worldwide eBay international standard delivery, and put them 0. And after that, everything is done. If you want, you can boost the listing, and you're going to pay 14 cents end of the when the book is sold. So don't worry about that, and click list item. That's it. Your item is listed on eBay. Like I said before, never put ebook or PDF on the title. If you do, eBay algorithm will know about that. You're gonna sell an ebook. They recommend to go with classified format. You can't do that. So never put ebook in any listing or inside a specification. Leave it empty and just put digital book. And then you on the description say that this is an ebook, and you're going to receive the PDF version when the purchase is go through within 2 hours to your PayPal email address. That's it, and you're done with the guys. This is how you can list more than so you can create an entire eBay account for ebook only. Then if, for example, if you're living in the USA, you're going to pay $7.95 monthly subscription, but you can list up to 100 listing. That means 100 ebook you can sell. If you can make it sell about 50 ebook per month, you say, for example, $1 in a profit after all the fees, you can make it $50, guys. You are not going to create an ebook. You are not doing promoting or nothing. Just download and upload in the ebook onto eBay, and you make a sales from it. I hope you understand this video. If you want to learn more about it, go to my website. I will upload another post on my website, detailed step by step, so you can go and follow that. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon. Don't forget to like our video on the comment section. Right, I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video gets 100 likes, I will do the giveaway on the next video. Until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.